Hey everyone, welcome back to English Podcast with Zico.
And Sarah, we're so happy you're here with us today.
If you want to improve your English without stress or boring lessons,
You're in exactly the right place.
in this episode, we've got something super practical for your everyday English.
So put on your headphones, relax.
And let's get started.
Today we have a really interesting topic. We're deep into the month of Ramadan, and we thought it would be great to, just chat about what a typical daily routine looks like for us during this month.
Yeah, I love this idea. It's such a unique time of year, and the whole rhythm of the day just completely changes.
It really does. So where should we even start? I guess we have to start in the middle of the night, right?
Exactly, with Suhoor, the pre-dawn meal.
Right. So for anyone who doesn't know, Suhoor is the meal we eat before the sun comes up, before our fast begins. And Sarah, I have to be honest, waking up for it's a challenge.
Oh, tell me about it. That alarm goes off and it's like 3:30 a.m. sometimes, and it's pitch black outside and your bed is so warm.
It's the ultimate test of willpower just to get out of bed. But, once you're up, there's something really special about it. The world is so quiet.
It is. It feels very peaceful. It's like you and your family are the only ones awake. So, what's a typical Suhoor meal for you? Are you a big eater or do you keep it light?
I try to find a balance. I need something that's going to give me energy for the day, but I can't handle a heavy, greasy meal that early. So, usually some eggs, maybe some whole wheat toast, and lots of water. Hydration is key. What about you?
Water is essential. I'm all about slow release energy, so I usually go for oatmeal or Greek yogurt with some fruit and nuts, something that I know won't leave me feeling hungry like an hour later.
That's smart. That's really smart. And then before you know it, it's time for the morning prayer, Fajr, and the fast begins.
Right, and then the day just goes on, doesn't it?
Yeah, you still have to go to work or school. You still have all your normal responsibilities. How do you find your energy levels during the day?
The morning is usually fine. I feel pretty normal, pretty productive, but there's always that point in the afternoon.
The afternoon slump. Oh yeah, around 2 or 3 p.m., my brain just turns to mush. It's so hard to concentrate.
Totally. I have to be really strategic about my work. I try to schedule all of my important meetings or difficult tasks for the morning and save the easier, more mindless stuff for the afternoon.
Same here. My afternoons are for answering emails and organizing files. Nothing that requires intense brain power.
Right, but I think it's also important to remember that Ramadan isn't just about abstaining from food and drink. It's a spiritual workout too.
That's such a good way to put it. It really is. You're more mindful of your actions, your words. You try to be more patient, more kind.
Exactly. And the day is punctuated by the 5 daily prayers, which it gives you these built-in breaks to just pause, disconnect from work, and reconnect spiritually.
It breaks up the day perfectly. And as the afternoon wears on, the excitement starts to build for the main event.
Iftar,
the breaking of the fast. That last hour before sunset feels like the longest hour of the day. You're watching the clock, you're smelling all the food being prepared.
the smells from the kitchen are just pure torture, but in the best way possible. It's all part of the experience.
It is. And then the call to prayer for Maghrib, the sunset prayer, finally happens. What's the tradition in your family? What's the very first thing you have?
Always dates and water. It's the traditional way to break the fast. And honestly, after a whole day of no water, that first sip I can't even describe it. It's the most refreshing thing in the entire world.
It really is. You appreciate something as simple as water so much more. And the sweetness of the dates gives you that instant little burst of energy you need.
It's perfect. After that, we pray and then we sit down for the actual meal. Iftar is a big social thing for us. We often have it with extended family or invite friends over.
Oh, for sure. It's all about community and sharing. Are there any specific foods that just scream iftar to you?
Definitely. We always have to have some kind of fried, savory pastry, like samosas or spring rolls. It just doesn't feel like iftar without them. And a big fruit salad is a must.
Nice. For us, it's lentil soup. My mom makes this amazing lentil soup, and it's just so comforting and nourishing to start your meal with.
Oh, that sounds delicious. It's so interesting how every family has its own little food traditions.
Yeah, and then after iftar, you'd think the day is over, but it's not. There's still the evening prayer, Isha, and then in Ramadan, there are special extra prayers at night called Taraweeh.
Right, a lot of people go to the mosque for Taraweeh. The sense of community there is just, it's incredible. Standing and praying alongside hundreds of other people. It's a very powerful feeling.
It is, and by the time you get home from that, you're exhausted. You basically have just a few hours to sleep before you have to wake up and do it all over again.
It's a cycle for sure. It's physically demanding, but spiritually, it's so rewarding.
Couldn't agree more. Well, that's a little look into our daily routine during Ramadan. It's a month of discipline, reflection, and community.
Yeah, obviously everyone's routine is a bit different, but that's the general flow of the day. It's a marathon, not a sprint.
Perfectly said. All right, well, that's all the time we have for today. Thank you all so much for listening to English Podcasts with Zico.
We'd love to hear from our listeners who observe Ramadan. What does your daily routine look like? Let us know in the comments.
Yes, please do. Until next time, everyone, take care.
Bye, everyone.